Good morning, Grade 2 Moses and Grade 2 Joshua. How are you feeling today? Are you excited for our math class? So before we proceed to our topic for today, let's acknowledge God first. Kindly put your hands together, bow your head, and follow me for our opening prayer. So, dear Jesus, thank you for waking up me today, that I am able to see the light of yours. Help me, my family, and my friends to prepare for this day with love, peace, happiness, and good health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. So again, kids, our subject for today is mathematics. And today we are going to talk about solving one-step word problems involving multiplication. Again, kids, I will repeat. Our topic for today is all about solving one-step word problems involving multiplication. So, are you ready to solve some mathematical word problems? So, before we solve some mathematical problems, we need to study first what are the steps in solving word problems. So now, let's have this one. We have the first example here. So Cora is selling salted eggs and she sells each egg for 12 pesos. Again, kids, I will repeat. Cora is selling salted eggs and she sells each. So it means one salted eggs is equal to 12 pesos, okay? So now, the question is, how much is the cost of 5 eggs? Again, kids, the question is, how much is the cost of 5 eggs? So, Cora is selling salted eggs and she sells each egg for 12 pesos. How much is the cost for 5 eggs? So in solving a problem, kids, we need to find out first what are the given facts in the problem. So the first step, kids, we need to find out what is the given facts in the problem. So when we say given facts, these are the numbers that you can see inside our problem. So what are our given facts for our example word problem here? So we have the first one, which is the 12 pesos, and the second one, which is the 5 eggs. So the 12 pesos is the cost of one salted egg. Again, kids, 12 pesos is the cost of one salted egg. And 5 is the number of the salted eggs to be sold. Again, kids, 5 is the number of the salted eggs to be sold. So the given facts that we have in our example problem are the 12 pesos and number 5, okay? 12 for the cost of one salted egg, and 5 is for the number of the salted egg to be sold. So after we get the given facts, let's proceed to the second question, which is, what is being asked in the problem? Again, kids, what is being asked in the problem, or what is asked? So in here, we need to find the question that we need to solve in our problem. And as you can see here, we have, how much is the cost of 5 eggs? Again, kids, what is asked? So the answer is, how much is the cost of 5 eggs? So let's write it. How much is the cost of 5 eggs? Okay? After getting the what is asked, so again, let's repeat. First, let's find the given facts. Second, find what is being asked in the problem. So the third step, what is it? So the third step, we need to find what operation should be used. Very good, kids. So after getting the given facts, the what is asked. So now, let's find the operation that we need to use. So as you can see, finding the operation to be used in our word problem is very important. Because when you find the correct operation that we need to use, we can able to solve our problem. So in here, we are finding the total cost of the salted egg if you are going to buy 5. So what do we need to do? Do we need to add? Do we need to subtract? Do we need to multiply? Or do we need to divide? What do you think? Very good. We need to multiply. So we are going to multiply 5 eggs to 12 pesos to get the total cost of the 5 salted eggs. So now, because we already find what operation that we need to do, the next step is what is the number sentence. So again, kids, after finding the given facts, the what is asked, the operation to be used, now we are going to proceed to the 4th step. We need to write the number sentence. So we are just simply writing 12 times 5 is equal n. So 12 stands for the cost of each salted egg, and 5 is the number or the total of the eggs that being sold. So as you can see, we use and because and stands for the missing number. Since we did not yet do our solution, so the answer is not yet found. So after getting what is the number sentence, of course, we need to show our solution. Okay, kids, again, we need to show our solution. So we have 12 times 5. Again, kids, 12 times 5 is equal to what? So 5 times 2 equals 10, right? So 10, let's bring down 0 and put 1 at the top of another one. And 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So we have the total of 60 pesos. Okay, kids? Again, the solution is 12 times 5 equals 60. So since we already find the answer, so we need to label our answer or what is the complete answer. So remember, kids, in doing word problems, always label your answer or write your answer in a complete sentence. Remember that, okay? So the complete answer is the cost of 5 salted eggs is 60 pesos. Again, kids, the cost of 5 salted eggs is 60 pesos. Okay, kids? So, remember, kids, these are the steps to follow in following one-step word problems involving multiplication. Again, kids, I will repeat. To be able to answer word problems, always follow the steps, okay? So, let's repeat the steps that we have. Let's have the first one. We need to know the given facts. Again, kids, we need to know the given facts. And these are the numbers that can be seen inside the word problems. After finding the given facts, we need to determine what is being asked in the problem. Again, kids, after finding the given facts, we need to find what is being asked in the problem or what is the question that we need to solve to our word problem. Next one, after finding the given facts, finding what is asked, of course, we need to find what is the operation to be used, or we need to identify what operation to be used for the solving of our word problem. So we have four operation, isn't it? We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in our lesson for today, it is solving one word problem including multiplication. So it's already understood, kids, that we are going to use multiplication for our operation. Okay, kids? Next one, let's proceed after getting the given facts, determining the question or what is being asked, identifying the operation to be used. Of course, we need to give the number sentence, or we are going to write the number sentence. And after that, kids, always remember, in step number 4, always write n. For example, our equation a while ago, 12 times 5 is equal to n, because the answer is still missing, okay? And for our step number 5, after finding or giving the number sentence, of course, we already need to solve the equation. Again, kids, we need to solve the equation for you to able to get the answer. And always remember to show your solution, okay? Number 6, after getting the answer, we need to label the answer. Just like what I've told you a while ago, you need to write your answer in a complete sentence, okay? So now, let's try answering your math book on page 224. Let's answer the number 1, and you will do the rest with the help and guidance from your parents. We will just answer number 1, okay? For you to have a guide. So let's have here the first word problem on number 1. So Ella buys 5 sticks of banana Q. Each stick has 3 bananas. How many are there in all? How many are there in all? Okay, let's repeat the question or the problem that being asked. Ella buys 5 sticks of banana Q, and each stick has 3 bananas. How many bananas are there in all? So first, let's do the first step. What are the given facts? So we have 5 sticks of banana or banana Q and 3 bananas. So 5 sticks of banana Q Ella's bought. And 3 are the banana or the number of bananas per stick. So those are our given facts. 5, the stick of banana Q that Ella bought. 3, the number of bananas per stick. So, can you please tell me what is the next step after getting the given facts? Very good, kids. The next step is determine what is being asked in the problem or what is asked. So can you please tell me what is being asked in our word problem? So it is how many are there in all. So we need to write it. How many are there in all? Okay, so that is what is asked or what is being asked in our word problem. So next, after getting the given facts, getting the what is being asked or determining what is being asked in the problem, of course, we need to proceed to our step number 3 or step letter C, which is what operation should be used in answering or in solving our word problem. So what is it? Can you please tell me? Is it addition, subtraction, or multiplication? Good job, kids. The operation should be used is multiplication. Very good. So after getting the 3 steps, getting the given facts, determining what is asked, what operation should be used? Now let's proceed to step number 4, which is what is the number sentence. So we have the given facts 5 and 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to n. Always remember that, okay, kids? Always remember, in number sentence, always write equals to n. So, since we already have our number sentence, let's show our solution, okay? We have 5 times 3 is equal to 15, okay, kids? That is our solution. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So now, let's label our answer. Good job. So, let's write the complete answer. So, Ella bought 15 bananas in all. Okay, kids? So, kids, remember this step in answering our word problem. Know the given facts. Determine what is being asked in the problem. Identify the operation to be used. Give the number sentence. Solve the equation. And label the answer. So, in this step, you can answer the number 2 to 5. Okay? Please seek some guidance from your parents to be answered the book. So, thank you for listening, kids. Kindly answer your math books on pages 224 and 229. And don't forget to follow the steps that we discussed today for you to answer your book correctly. Okay, so that is all, kids. I hope that you have fun. See you again in our next class. Goodbye!